Hey friends, welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Here today with another good one for you. Did you know there are two ways on an agent report to track how long a listing has been on the market? One is the DOM, days on market, and the other is the CDOM, cumulative days on market. They may seem similar, but have one major difference. The DOM tracks how long one particular MLS number has been on the market. But sometimes a client requests that we take a listing off the market temporarily and bring it back on later. You can choose to hold the property by changing the status. That pauses the DOM and CDOM until you bring it back on the market again, which resumes the counter. This does not require a new signed listing agreement because the listing was just temporarily off the market. Your other option is to cancel the listing and relist it when the seller signs a new listing agreement. If you do this in 30 days or less from the day you canceled your last listing, it will reset the DOM, but the CDOM will not reset, hence the word cumulative. Only when a property has been off the market, canceled, or expired for more than 30 days will the days, both DOM and CDOM, on the listing start at 0. Here's a great tip for you. In order to be 100% sure to reset the CDOM, make sure you count 31 days after the off-market date on the previous listing. And there you go. Now you know the difference between DOM and CDOM and how to reset them both. Thanks for watching and see you on the next Grab and Go video.